Hello, I am Stuart. Here in the video we will share the details for the Call of Duty. Black Ops 6 Error Code 12. The error reads, unable to connect to Activision. Matchmaking error 12. As per the player's complaints, the error will boot at the end or the middle of a match and take the user to the lobby. According to our research, this error is probably coming because of some issues with the game or servers. If you are currently dealing with the error, then our first suggestion will be to restart your device and then see if you have a pending update for the game. If you see any pending updates, then install them and check for the error again. If the game is up to date with its latest version, but the error persists, then try connecting your device over a different Wi-Fi or a mobile hotspot network. Give this a try and see if the error also comes over the other network. In case the error persists over the other network, then go to support.activision.com/online services and select Call of Duty, Black Ops 6 from the drop-down menu to check the server status of the game. In case servers are working normally, then chances are there are some temporary issues with the servers. We suggest you wait for a few hours and try again. In case you still receive the error after waiting, then reach out to the Activision support. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.